Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Sidhu the Barber. Welcome back to another video. Different week, we're bringing you guys another tutorial. Last week we had a beard tutorial for you guys. This week we got an eyebrow shape up. So pretty much how you want to start any eyebrow shape up is by applying some alcohol to the area in which you're going to operate to keep it clean as possible for your efficiency and to make the shape up as effective and nice as it can possibly be. I like to comb all of the hair out, whether I'm doing a beard, a haircut, or an eyebrow shape up, just to get it at its maximum potential. And then I like to start by using my razor to shape up the edges here, because that's just the way I learned and it helps me keep symmetry. Moving on to the top, I like to keep it kind of at an obtuse angle where the two connect, the top and the side. It just looks nicer in my opinion. If the client asks for it to be like more rounder or more sharper, you know, do whatever they want. But in this case, my boy Harry just wanted to clean up, and I've cleaned up his eyebrows a couple times before, so I know how he likes it. Coming through, brushing off the excess hair. Just revising my work a little bit, because you're never gonna get it right the first time, or you're never gonna get it perfect the first time. And that's okay, you don't have to, as long as by the end of it, it's good. Coming through here, cleaning up the bottom. One tip I do want to give is be sure you stretch the skin when it comes to the bottom, stretch the eye, and then also be careful at what angle you come in with the blade, because if you cut somebody here, man, it's a difficult path to recovery. A lot of blood, a lot of messy scenes you want to avoid. Anyways, up here, I'm coming back, combing it out, using my scissors with the overhang. Some barbers have like smaller scissors specifically for this place. The normal ones work for me, so I just rock out with those. Getting the unibrow area here. His isn't that bad because he gets some shape pretty often cleaned up. I'd say probably every haircut. Which leads me to my next point with the stigma that men shouldn't get their eyebrows done or cleaned up. And I think that's BS, because women have a bunch of places, whether it be for makeup or for their hair or for their eyebrows, to, you know, look good and look pretty beautiful, whatever you want to say. And for men, we only have a barber shop, you know what I mean? So if you're a barber and you're not offering the service, I highly suggest you to. As you can see here also, just really quickly, I am coming through and cleaning up his cheeks too with a razor, because more often than not, there is like dead skin cells, hair, dirt, oil, you know what I mean? So clean that up. Other side, rinse and repeat, top and then the bottom, and then come through with the scissors. But yeah, man, like if you're a barber and you're not offering it, I highly suggest you to just include it in your haircut services, sorry. But I do include it in my haircut services. I also do have it as an individual service if you want to come in. It is $10 individually, but with the haircut, I just throw it in there. Yeah, so this side's cheeks were a little bit better than the last sides, like way easier. And yeah, so we're coming here to an ASMR for you guys, a little ASMR, enjoy it. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. There is a longer version on my TikTok and my Instagram. Go check it out. Anyways, coming through again with the comb and getting the excess hair on the edge here. Harry's eyebrows are, you know, normally pretty good too. So, and then here at the end, I'm just coming through with the finishing aftershave lotion from Elegance. I do want to take this time to thank my boy, my brother, my business partner Cam's YYC for the production. He's been producing all the good quality videos, to be honest with you. And give him a follow. He just made a TikTok too. Link in the description. Run it up. And here, just brushing it up. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. New videos every Thursday. This is how he came in. And this is how he left. All right, peace.